Peter? You know where we are?
Far Rockaway.
We're in Far Rockaway. 11691. Your favorite? I love it here, man. You know, everyone deserves, it's their right to have, you know, comfortable air inside their home. And we're gonna hook them up. They got a Buderus. Let's go see what's going on. It says, please no soliciting. No solicitor. Hello. How are you? Good morning. I'm Mike. How are you? VTech? VTech.
Victor.
Victor. I prefer Victor. Okay. You have Buderus.
Yes.
Nice German machine. With the Home Depot special. What's up with the Home Depot special? Yes, Home Depot special. Without the drip leg on the water heater.
Look, I have two like this.
Okay.
When,
So they were
when connect here, you know, damper.
Yes, damper.
After 1 minute, 2 minutes, you know, transformer.
It starts to smoke,
Yeah.
and it's not smoking cigarettes.
Yeah. This is one, and now
It's a nice, clean job, by the way.
this make my friend who make this building, pipe and so on.
Okay.
And boiler connect, another guy never finish, you know.
All right. So you have the you have this Aqua Smart. Okay. The hydro level, same thing. So your problem with air in the system.
I need you.
Right now you have no pressure in the system. Actually, it's upside down. Why? Why is it upside down?
No pressure. I don't
Why
know.
is it upside down though?
I don't know. This guy. No.
Why put it upside down?
Listen,
I know you need heat,
I need heat.
but where's all the pressure go?
Please do something, you know.
Okay,
I don't
do
know.
something. I do something. So they have, this is the pressure reducing valve and also the connection for the expansion tank. And you have no controlled pressure into the system. There's no pressure in here. Where's the relief valve for the boiler? Let's say, where is the relief valve? There it is.
I try put water, you know.
How do you add water?
This is, you know, this is last valve, you know, this pipe is.
Yes.
I connect house and open, no water. I don't have pressure water, you know, now. I don't know.
Understood. All right, first thing we need to do, there's no pressure in the system right now?
No.
Okay, we're gonna take that contraption out. We're going to install a pressure reducing valve. Right, I'll give you the pricing for everything. I have to there's no room here, right? But I gotta put a T here. I gotta come across. I gotta put the pressure reducing valve, and then I gotta reconnect to the water after the backflow preventer, and then we see what the problem is.
Okay, and this is go to this
Air scoop?
Air scoop.
Listen, technically speaking, you need a 16 inches from the air scoop to elbow. You don't have 16 inches and you have flow check in the way. I don't know why you have flow check when you have zone valves. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zone valves. You don't need flow check because they're valves, electronic valves. So, okay. We ready? Okay, boiler's off. Let's make sure we have no water in here. I don't see a boiler drain. You see a boiler drain anywhere?
On this side of my
On that side. All right, you have a little hose?
No.
No. All right, let's grab a little hose. And I want you to hook up the hose to that and let's drain it out. All right, you ready? Anything?
What do you think it is? What is
Why does this thing keep opening? Why does this thing close? There you go.
boiler like this? What is better? Boiler like this or condensing boiler?
It's a matter of opinion.
No more.
I like both. No more what? No more water? Okay. Let me close the valve back here. And let's grab that tubing cutter. And let's cut right there.
Right here?
Yep, close to, right there in the middle. No, right there. Go. Okay. Good. Okay, now hold the bucket. Give me the tubing cutter. Okay. Good. Take that. Just put that somewhere. You getting some water there? Put your finger there. Plug it like a leaky dike. A dike is a dam, you know, just so you know. Okay. Okay. Put that up to the side. Just give me this. Hold the bucket. Now, next. Let's get a little wrench. Maybe get a towel too next time we go. Oh, you have a towel right there. Let's put the towel on top of the boiler. All right, because we are getting a little bit of water there. Put that right there.
Can you close the drain?
What drain?
The
Yeah, you can close it.
Okay.
So you're Polish.
Yes.
There was a gentleman in South Carolina that I was planning on doing some business with. He's a plumber in South Carolina. He's from Poland. He immigrated to America when he was 19. He was Conrad. Very nice guy. I need another wrench. I want to take the expansion tank off. So you born here or born there?
I'm born in Poland.
Born in Poland, okay. How long you been living here for?
Excuse me?
How long you been living here for?
Over 10 years.
Okay. You like it here better or better there?
Listen, now it's changed.
Now it's changed, yes.
When we have to have communism, in Poland is better.
Yeah.
In the United States, lost.
United States lost. You got that right. You got that right. Well, especially after yesterday.
Going downhill.
All right. Oh, what do we got going on here? Let's see. Where's that bucket? Where's the bucket? I got it.
Right here.
Okay. What do we have in here? Look at all this crap. What is this in here? What is this? It's an Amtrol. I've never seen it before.
What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, grab another towel?
No, I've just never seen it before. Wow. Put that right there. Oh, it's still leaking. Hold on. Hold it so it doesn't like fall into the bucket. Okay. Now you should be all right. You should be. Leave me alone. Okay. Okay, now you can flip it up the right way now, Peter. Let's see what we have here. We're gonna get some more water. Where's that hose? Good. All right, Peter. Let me get the nipple Teflon. T.
Do I have to be shorter?
Just close. Okay. And let's build this back out. Let's get some, as soon as I'm done with this, I want you to get the Teflon tape. Put it on the expansion tank. And let's see if I can fit in an expansion tank isolation valve. Okay, take that. Because that's what I would like to fit in there. We may or may not be able to do that, but we'll find out. Yeah, we got a little bit of water there. Why is there still water here? Oh, because of the check valve. Peter, I need some kind of little tray or bucket. Something. See if the bucket will fit in there. Close the valve. I wasn't thinking about the check valve. What do you got? Something? Grab that.
Sure, thank you.
Put that on my hand right there. Perfect. I got it. Keep doing what you're doing. What?
We have water close to border.
Yeah.
I live in the west, close to I have 100 miles to German border,
Okay.
10 miles to Czech Republic border. But you know, in the east side Poland, people is, you know,
What do they use?
this is very close, you know.
Yeah.
Scary.
Very. Let me get the nipple, the black one. Is this tank gonna fit there with the thing? It's gonna fit there only with the expansion tank. Take this back out. I still don't get this piece here.
You've never seen it?
I've never seen this before.
Is that like added on post?
This tank is good.
I've never, listen, I know Amtrol, I love Amtrol, this is an Amtrol expansion tank, but I've never seen this little piece in here before.
I don't know. This comes with boiler.
It came with the boiler.
Yes.
I guess it still works. It's not that old, and it has the indicator on bottom, but I've never seen it before. Very odd. Maybe it's something to do with the pressure reducing valve that we just removed. That's the only thing I can think of. This stupid thing.
You tap on this?
Tank. It's got to have something to do with this. Yeah, Teflon that. It's got to have something to do with this Amtrol, stupid Amtrol thing. Cheap pressure reducing valve. Let's tighten this up a little bit more. Oh, all right. The T's gonna want to tighten up too. Okay. How long is that nipple? This is not gonna be long enough to do what we. I also need to spin on. Let's get a long 6-inch nipple. Okay. All right. And now we have our Caleffi now in place. Okay. Goes right back like that. Let's take our pressure gauge for redundancy. Put that on there. Okay, now we have this doodad. Just gonna go there. Where's that? I want you to hold on. More water. Take off this right off of here.
Okay.
Okay.
Just loosen this one.
Take that off of there. Because we're gonna reconfigure the backflow prevention device. Let me wrap some Teflon tape around here, and the backflow preventer is going to go right there. Okay, now we need to go from there to there. Where's a piece of copper?
This is,
Shorter one.
this is the new one.
What's this?
That was the one you just cut off.
Oh, we'll use that for the drip leg. Okay, use the, let me see that one. We're gonna need 2 elbows. I'm just gonna beeline it.
2 elbows, 1/2 inch press machine.
Yep. We're just gonna beeline it right to there. 4 elbows. I want to do the drip leg on the relief valve, on the expansion. And then get, oh, forget, we're not here for the water heater.
So, 490s?
Yep. All right, good old Four Seasons towel finally came in handy. Let's get a little bit of scratchy paper. We're gonna clean this, clean that, and connect the two together. How's that look, Peter? It looks like it's beeline, but
Yeah.
it's fine. Press it in. Next.
Your system is better, like
Less liability, no flame, no fire department, no insurance liability. As long as you press it, it's good forever.
yeah.
It's been around for a long time. Nothing like soldering though. You gotta get the right angle.
Faster, yeah.
Much faster. But the biggest thing is there's no liability. No flame. I'm not gonna burn down your house by accident. Because there's no torch in the house. Okay? Now we're going to take that piece right here that he gave us, right? and that's the drip leg from the relief. Let's do this there. Let's put this here. Right, and there's another piece. Cut a piece of the copper off. Might as well. We don't have to give them brand new copper. We recycle the old. Okay, press this in. Okay, yeah, cut that. Press. Okay, and now let's just cut this right here. I'm not worried about cleaning it because it's not for pressure. Press. Just press it in. It's not. It'll go in. Make sure you lift up the top a little bit. Okay, go. Okay, done. All right, and let's tuck this out of the corner a little bit. Right about there. Okay, that's out of the way. See? Out of the way. Now, press, pressed. Backflow, Caleffi. Let's open that. The valve behind is still closed. Good. Open valve. We may have a little bit of discharge coming out of the backflow preventer. Let's close. Okay. Valve is open. Hot water feeding it. Let's open up this. And that will stop around 12 psi because it's set to 12. Now we have pressure, and let's see what the other pressure gauge says. The other pressure gauge is reading dick. It's really reading nothing. Look at that. It's not reading anything. So it's a good thing we put that valve in at least with the right around 12. Good. Okay. Now we have to, let's get rid of everything copper related. Right. Press machine, tubing cutter, all that good stuff. And now we're going to purge. All right. We bumped up the set screw on top, set that to around 20, 25. Now we're going to purge all this air out of here from that top zone, which is the bedroom. I have isolation valve closed, purge valve open, and we're getting all that air out of here. I'll do that until all the bubbling stops. A lot of air. Just gonna, okay. So far, so good. How do you feel?
Good.
You're a little richer.
A little bit, yeah.
$20, still $20, right? It's not a C note, but it's $20 you didn't have in your pocket that you had now.
I'll pay for my taco.
The gentleman, very nice guy from Poland. We call him Victor. Well, that's his name, Victor, but it's Conrad could probably pronounce it better than I can. Gave us a $25 tip, and I gave Peter 20 of the 5.
Thank you.
Well, 20 of the 25. Some of you are gonna comment, oh, you should get the whole thing. Like, sit on this and rotate.